Guys, welcome back to my channel. So one of the questions that I get asked all the time is, what do I eat as a vegan? How do I stay consistent? And here it is. I make smoothies. I make meal replacement smoothies. All these can be substituted in for meals. It can be easy when, instead of skipping meals, you can just make this. It literally takes less than 5 minutes. It tastes really good. If you want to see how I made these 5 meal replacement smoothies, just keep watching and I'll show you guys. They're super quick, super easy. They taste really good, even though I haven't tasted them yet. No, I'm kidding, I tasted them. But these are things that I have on a regular basis. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see more of the smoothies that I make, more of the food that I make. Definitely going to be using this channel to make more. This is the first video that I filmed actually making something. So I hope that it's gonna turn out okay. So for our first smoothie, we have the berry spinach smoothie. We're gonna use strawberries, blueberries, bananas, spinach, a yogurt alternative, which is coconut yogurt, and almond milk, as well as chia seeds. Now, you don't have to use almond milk. You can replace that with water if you'd like, and you can also use regular Greek yogurt, but these are all gonna be vegan smoothies. Therefore, we're gonna be using milk alternative products. Next up, we have our kale avocado smoothie. We're going to be using frozen mangoes, kale, avocado, cacao nibs, our yogurt alternative, our almond milk, and honey. Next, we have our strawberry banana oatmeal smoothie. We're going to be using almond milk, spinach, bananas, or banana, I should say, strawberries, oats, pineapples, and flax seeds, and a little bit of honey if you feel like the oats are a bit too strong. Also, I put the oats in the blender first because they can be really chunky if you just put it in the whatever you're using to blend everything together. It can be a bit chunky, so I just we have one of my favorite smoothies, which is the chocolate peanut butter cherry smoothie. We're gonna have 1 banana, peanut butter, cocoa powder, chia seeds, spinach, almond milk, honey, and ice if you want ice, but I'm not going to be adding ice. You can also skip the honey if you don't want to. You can, like I said before, add or subtract whatever you'd like. And our last smoothie is the Island smoothie, and hopefully this will give us some color since some of our other smoothies were a bit dull. But it's going to be oranges, pineapples, mangoes, kale, chia seeds, ginger, and a little bit of tofu, as well as some baby carrots. So yeah, that's how you make these 5 meal replacement smoothies. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will definitely be making more smoothies, more foods. Feel free to, like I said before, substitute anything that you don't like. I use milk alternatives and yogurt alternatives, so if that's not something you're interested in, then you can definitely use other products, so don't worry about that. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram. All my info is going to be in the description. Also, I use this Ninja blender. You can use whatever blender you'd like. I would not recommend anybody going out and actually buying something. I got this on. So much for watching. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for all the positive and amazing feedback. 2018, I will definitely be back being consistent, inshallah. That is my goal. Who is calling me? I'm in the middle of filming. How rude. Bruh, I am filming right now. Do you see this? You are interrupting me. No, I'm just kidding. When the real you comes out and it starts coming out. You know how many people told me, like, just be yourself, your personality is gonna start coming out, and I'm like, who am I? What is my personality? No, I'm kidding. And you know, so that my mom, I swear, it be your own people sometimes, my #1 hater. No, I'm just kidding. Shout out to you, Hoy. She's gonna be like, oh my god, you're saying I'm your hater. No, my mom's not my hater. My mom loves me. She supports me, I guess. I feel like I'm breathing so heavy. I'm still so nervous. You know, I finally like got comfortable and then boom, I just like went MIA. Oh, that's my door. Bye, subscribe.